Piensa como un millonario, 10 principios que los millonarios conocen y el resto de las personas ignora. Think Like a Millionaire, 10 Principles That Millionaires Know and the Rest of People Ignore, is a book by Brian Tracy and Camilo Cruz which provides an analysis of the mindset, habits, and strategies of millionaires. The book aims to help readers understand and adopt the principles that millionaires use to achieve financial success. The book starts by discussing the importance of a millionaire's mindset and how to develop it. The authors argue that millionaires have a specific way of thinking and believing that sets them apart from the rest of people, and that, by adopting this mindset, anyone can achieve financial success. The book goes on to discuss 10 principles that millionaires use to achieve success. Have a clear goal and a plan to achieve it. Focus on the most important tasks. Take calculated risks. Invest in personal development. Surround yourself with successful people. Be disciplined and persistent. Be open to new opportunities. Be willing to learn from mistakes. Have a positive attitude and a strong desire to succeed. Take action and make things happen. The authors also include real-life examples and practical tips on how to put these principles into practice. They also emphasize the importance of hard work, self-discipline, and perseverance in achieving financial success. The book also includes an analysis of the common mistakes that people make when trying to achieve financial success, such as lack of planning, procrastination, and fear of failure, and it provides strategies to overcome them. In summary, Piensa como un millonario is a book that provides a guide to understand and adopt the mindset, habits, and strategies of successful people to achieve financial success. The authors discuss 10 key principles that are commonly used by millionaires, and provide practical advice and real-life examples on how to put these principles into practice. The book also emphasizes the importance of hard work, self-discipline, and perseverance in achieving financial success and provides strategies to overcome common mistakes that people make when trying to achieve it.